Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I am Laila Nasif Firdaus Tajin, lecturer, Department of ICT from Marston College. Welcome to you all in my today's class. Today I will discover a lab. So dear students, let's have a look. Dear students, welcome to you all in ICT online lab class. Already you have learned about me. So today we will learn HTML. And today our lab topic is HTML table. Dear students, before starting the table or coding, we should know how it works, or we should know about the table. You see in the picture a table is shown, and here we have to learn what is row span and what about the co-span. Here we can see a caption is there which is written Marston College, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 in total 4 columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So here first Marston College is a caption. Under this the bold letter is written here, that is year result, which contains 3 columns. That means there should be co-span because it's taking 3 columns together. And then see Marston College, a logo or a image is here, and this image is taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So there should be co-span. And faculty result, that means in second row, faculty result and year, these are written in bold letter. And after that, next row science, then A plus, as here is A plus, so we should use superscript or sub tag. And then year, here we can see that order line is mentioned and it's written in Roman letter. And in the next, and there in order list is also taking 3 rows, so there should also be a row span. And then in next row, that means in business studies, there are next is A minus, that means A minus, here we are writing minus a bit down just to show you the subscript or sub tag. And next row or last row, we can see that humanities is written as first data and second data is result, which is called B. So now dear students, we will start writing the code. How we will write the HTML code in Notepad. Let's have a look. Students, at first we should create a folder where we can store the files. Let's say here I am taking a folder which is where I will save the logo, then HTML tab, then HTML, whatever I will write. Okay, and logo, that means we have used a image which is format will be JPEG format logo, then HTML lab. Then we will start. Let's start. We will open a notepad. We'll get new and text document. Text document we can save it by any name. Let's say I am writing here, starting the code, and we know that we will start the code by writing HTML. First I have to save the file. I am clicking save documents, whatever I am writing, and let's say I am writing milestone, and we should add an extension file .html. So I am writing milestone.html and I am saving it by clicking the save button. Okay, now I am writing the code. See, the milestone is showing as the icon of browser. Okay, whenever I will click it, I will be able to see the output. Okay, so starting writing the code. So here HTML, as I'm starting the tag, I should close the tag. So here I am closing the tag with a slash, and we know that after HTML we should have to write the body tag and body tag. So I am closing the body tag also, and inside this body we have to write the code. That means whatever we want to write, as here I am showing you a table. So I am starting table, and you know that we have to add some attributes. That means table border and attribute value. Whenever you will take attribute, you must take the attribute value. Here I am taking the attribute value 1, and it's a very wise decision. Whenever you will start a tag, you should open it, because sometimes we may forget to close the tag, and that's why we will face some trouble. The output will not show properly. So I am writing table, and then see, there are do you remember how many rows and columns was there? There was 5 rows, right? See, 1 2 3 4 5. That means there we have to add 5 tr tag. Tr stands for table rows. So I am writing tr tag, tr opening tag. So I am closing the tr tag. Next, another tr, as there are 5 rows, so 5 tr we have to write. So to save the time, I would like to copy. So I'm just copied it and paste. So 5 for 5 rows, 5 trs are written here. Next, for the first row, we have to write the caption at first before starting the table row. So I am writing the caption. As the caption is underlined, you see, it was underlined, the Milestone College was underlined. So I am writing u tag. I am adding u tag started. So I am typing milestone. See here, Milestone College. So u tag close, that means underline tag close, and caption should be also close. Next, I am starting as first row, that means inside the table. First row, there is written year result, and it's taking 3 columns together, and it's written in, I'm using th because you see it's written in bold letter, and we know that in case of table, if the letters are written in bold, we have to write it t by h tag. So here is score span, and its attribute value is 3 because it's taking 3 values. So year result is written, then th close, and next data is a image or a logo. So and it's taking 4 rows together. So there will be row span, and attribute is row span, and attribute value will be 5 because it's taking 5 rows together. And here we should insert a image tag, which is single tag. So I'm writing img, and there should be a source. Attribute is source img src, and then we have to recollect it from the folder, from the file, and its name was logo.jpeg, and I have saved by this name. So logo.jpeg. Then I have to mention the height and width as well. So first I am typing width, and its width attribute value is, I'm writing let's say 100, and the next attribute will be height, and its value let's say 100. So image tag should be closed, as it is a single tag, so there should not be a another closing tag. Now this th is closed. That means the work of first row have been completed. Next, the second row. In second row, there you can see that there are 3 data: faculty, result, and year. It's also is bold, so you will also use th, as it's also written in bold letter. So th, faculty. First data is faculty, so I'm closing th. Second data is result. There is no row span, no cospan. It's a simple data, right? Result. I'm closing th. Next one is year. So another th, as there is 3 data, so year and th close. So dear students, let's have a look whether I am writing the code, it is correct or not, it's working properly or not. So I will save it by keyboard command Control S, that means Control and S together, and I'm saving it. And now let's check. I'm going to the browser and I have to reload or refresh, and after reload or refreshing we will see the output. Okay, the milestone logo is taking the 2 rows, as I have written the code for 2 rows, that's why it's taking the space for 2 rows. Whenever I will complete the code, then it will take the 5 rows. Okay, I'm back. So now I will complete the rest of the part of our coding. So now next row, that means third row, there are 3 data. First one is science, and it's a simple data, that means no row span, no cospan, and there it will be td, as it's not written in bold letter. So td science I'm writing. Next is td close. Second data is a plus, as it is plus, so a superscript is used here, so I have to use a sup tag. So I'll write sup, sup, and then a plus sign, then sup tag will be closed. At the same time td will be also closed. And next data, which is, you see there is a order list, so there, and it's taking 3 rows, so there will be a row span, and the attribute value will be 3, as it is taking 3 rows together. So value 3 td close. Then we have to start a OL tag or order type. OL type is Roman number, right? So I will write a Roman 1. Roman 1. Okay, now as here is 3 data, so I have to write 3 LI tag. LI, first one is 2011. LI close. Second one is LI, second one is 2012. LI close. And last data of that list is 2013. So LI 2013. List close. LI close. So our order list is closed. As it was in between data, table data, so TD tag should also be closed. Next row, which is our fourth row, there are two data. One is business studies and A minus. So I am writing the first data, which is very simple, TD business studies. I am typing business and studies, TD close. Next one is TD A minus. So minus is written a little below, so a subscript or subtext should be used. So sub and minus sign, then subtext close. In the meantime, TD should also be closed. So our fourth row is completed. Now the last row or the fifth row, only this portion is left. So it's very simple. Two data is written. First data, that means first TD is business studies, humanities, and I am writing humanities, TD close. And next one is B. So inside the two TD tags, we will just write B, TD close. As I have closed the TR table and body and HTML earlier, so I will just save it by Control S command. So it's saved. Now have a look through browser. Now I will go to the browser. Let's have a reload or refresh button. See? Okay, see the output. So we have successfully created the table as we wanted to design. So dear students, I hope you enjoyed my today's class, actually our lab class on HTML, and you have learned something new, and now you will be able to write a code through HTML and will be able to make a table. That's all for today. Hope to see you next class inshallah. Till that, stay fine, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.